Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Purba. Welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with this colorful ombre half cut crease eye look using Be Perfect Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. Before moving on to the full tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video. Also be sure to check out my Facebook and Instagram, which will be linked down below. So let's just go ahead and get started with the tutorial. I'm gonna take the Elegant Pro Conceal and this is in the shade Pure Beige. It's really gonna help to intensify those shadows. I'm just gonna be tapping this product in with a large shader brush and I'm bringing this all the way out past my brows and both sides of my eyes as I'm gonna be applying that shadow there. So I'm not gonna be setting the base today because I do find that tapping and packing shadows on this wet base really intensifies them. So I'm gonna be dipping into the Be Perfect Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. Today I'm gonna start with the shade Blackberry and I'm gonna take that on the Morphe JS6 brush, just tap off the excess and then I'm gonna take that straight into the crease and I'm just gonna be using tapping and packing motions. I'm not gonna be swiping the product, just really packing that shade in the crease. So I'm just taking whatever product is left on the brush to help diffuse that harsh line. So I'm just tapping those edges. So what I'm gonna do now is go in with the bright purple or lavender shade called Tahiti and I'm just gonna be tapping this on the edges of the previous shade to really diffuse any harsh lines and create a nice gradient of color. I'm going to use really soft blending motions just to buff out between the two shades with the shade Fruity so that we have a nice seamless blend. So now I'm going to be creating a half cut crease with the same Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm just tapping the product out. On the outer corner, I'm just going to use my fingertips and tap out that edge. So I'm just going in with more of the shade Blackberry, just applying this on the outer corner, diffusing the harsh line of the concealer. I'm just really deepening up the outer corner. Now I'm gonna take the shade The Deep and I'm just gonna apply this to the very edge of the outer corner because I want a nice transition from purple to blue. Now I'm gonna take the shade Lagoon from the palette and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that right next to the shade The Deep and just blending it into the previous shade. I'm gonna take the shade Tropics and apply that right next to the shade Lagoon for a nice and smooth blending from purple to blue to green and there remains no harsh lines. Finally, I'm taking the shade Yellow and I'm just gonna be applying this very inner corner of my eyelid and blending it into that green. But there's one more thing that I wanna add and that is some champagne glitter liner to define the half cut crease. So I'm gonna take the Stila liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Stylish and I'm gonna do this off camera. So let's go ahead and apply some mascara. This is Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara. I'm gonna put my falsies off camera. While I'm dipping back into the palette, let's go ahead and do the lower lash line and I'm just gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Blackberry and I'm gonna be applying this as close to my waterline as possible and I'm gonna further smoke this out with more of the shade Fruity and that bright purple or lavender shade called Tahiti. I really love this because it creates like a really super smoky blown out look. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the Huda Beauty Duo Life Liner in my waterline and tight line. Now I'm gonna use the shade Vanilla to highlight my inner corner and brow bone. And this is the finished eye look. Thank you so much for watching. I love how it turned out and hopefully you do too. Put me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hopefully I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.